Vegas likes the Red Sox. According to Bovada, the Boston Red Sox are a comfortable favorite to win their fourth World Series since 2004. The Red Sox, who have home field advantage in the best-of-7 series against the Los Angeles Dodgers, which begins Tuesday at Fenway Park. The Red Sox are -155 for the series on the money line. That means $100 bet on Boston earns the bettor $64.52. The Los Angeles Dodgers are 125, so a $100 bet their way gets a gambler $125. Coming into the season, the Red Sox were 1,000 behind the Yankees, 500, the Houston Astros and Dodgers, both at 600, and Cleveland, 750.